I want to share with you my simple story, how I went from working from a 9-to-5 job, daily grind, to being where I am today. My name is Sheri, and I am a wife. I am a mother of 2 amazing children, an 18-year-old son and a 20-year-old daughter. I started using essential oils about 5 years ago because I was having some terrible trouble with my skin. I was loving the products and I shared them with people, but I wouldn't say I was in the game with 2 feet for the business. Let's roll back now in time. It was July 2018 at the end of the workday. My boss, the dentist who I had worked for 30 years, had asked me if we could have a meeting. Super excited because it was my time for my review, but it was a month early. We sat across from each other at a table. I was quick to say with excitement in my voice, "Thank you for the meeting. I was expecting this next month." I need to tell you, we got along great. We respected each other. We worked amazingly well together. I knew what he was thinking. We didn't even have to talk through a root canal. Now keep in mind, this review that I was about to have never happened on time, never mind a month early. Little did I know it was not a review. This was a blast. It was a burn, it was a scorch, it was a session of up one side and down the other. You're not enough, you're not this, you're not that. I stopped listening. My heart was pounding. Then I heard him say, "You can go now." Through a tear, I mumbled back, "I can't move right now." I said, "You go." My drive home, something happened to me. The curveball was thrown at me, and I realized this was happening to me on purpose. I had clearly been asking for it. Do you know about your why? Well, my why changed. It became very clear. I knew at this very moment I needed to work for myself, for my dreams, and not someone else's. I was done making millions for someone else and being paid less for my worth. I will determine my self-worth, and I did. In June 2020, the best thing ever happened to me. I resigned from my dental career after 32 years. I could not be happier with the team of ladies that I work with and get to choose who I work with. doTERRA has been a vehicle to allow me not to only live my best healthy lifestyle so I can live younger longer, but serve so many other women in the world and people in the world who are looking for natural solutions for their health and their wellness. You can do this. You don't need a university degree in essential oils. We will train you and we will guide you along the way. Do you love essential oils? Do you love people? Do you love to talk about your favorite restaurant and tell other people about it? Well, that's exactly what we do. We tell people about the most amazing thing, essential oils. What are you waiting for? Day one or one day?